I think a game changer for Weldall is our full capabilities that we offer here, whether it's from the engineering standpoint or machining and assembly, and we kept adding on in those different areas. And now, you know, prior we were just doing those fabrications. Now I can do full assemblies. So, you know, when it leaves here at Weldall, ideally it goes right to their customer or to our customer.
First day at Weldall, it was amazing how busy it was, how much activity there was on the shop floor. Going into the different bays, and you just see the amount of work that everyone's doing. The number of different customers we have and what we're building for them is very important. And not just for their customers, but for the end users, people that depend on electricity. You know, you're part of that. And I think it's really special.
What I tell people what I do here, I start off by telling them I lead a team of extraordinary people who build amazing things. Very proud of each and every one of them. We came a long way.
How would I describe the people and the culture here at Weldall? It's full of a lot of guys that take pride in their work. There's projects here that might be for bridges, might be for mining equipment, NASA. There's just a lot of cool stuff to do here.
To be part of Weldall, I mean, it's a large company, it's a large family, it's a large group, we're very active, and you're not just a cog or just a number. You're very important to them. And the work we do is important to our customers and it's important to the end users.
I'm most proud of when I look in my work, I know that it's going to stand the test of time. And every day that I come in here, and now coming into almost 3 years, and I look around the shop and I see things that I've had my hands on and it's still running, that's what I'm proud of.
So I realized this wasn't just a job for me. When I knew about the importance of the units we built here for the entire world.
When you get down to the brass tacks of it, what you're doing here impacts thousands, if not millions.